welcome back to my channel. My name is Mia. If it's your first time clicking on one of my videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and click that notification bell so you will be notified every time I post a new video. So in today's video, I will be trying out a new product from Tymo, and shout out to them for sponsoring yet another one of my videos. If y'all haven't seen, I have worked with them in the past. I've tried out some different tools that they have came out with, so I will go ahead and leave those videos right up in the iCard for you to check those out as well. But in today's video, I will be trying out their Volumizer hot air brush. All right, so here is what the box looks like right here. Yes, this is what it looks like. It's in this nice sleek packaging, similar to how their other packaging looks. And here is what the brush looks like right out of the box. So as you can see, it has the combs right here and then the bristles on the inside, which kind of is similar to a hard bristle brush. But yeah, y'all, this thing is huge and I can't wait to try it out to see how my hair is going to work with it. So it does have different modes here at the bottom. So this first one is just the power button. The second one is a low heat and high speed. And then the third one is medium heat, low speed. And then the last one is high heat and high speed. So yes, I'm going to be trying this out today and showing y'all how it works on my hair. So yeah, let's just get into it. Okay, y'all, so here is how my hair is looking. It is freshly washed. I don't have any product in, so I'm about to get ready to spray some leave-in and heat protectant in my hair, and I'm going to be using this FOG Curlific Moisture Rich leave-in, and it also can be used as a heat protectant. All right, so this is how my hair is looking. I'm gonna go ahead and spray some of this on this whole section. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start on this section right here. I'm gonna take a small section from the back just to go ahead and see if I can get the best possible results. And taking small sections definitely can help with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and start like that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut this on the highest setting just so we can go ahead and get it cracking. Okay, so this is how it's looking so far. It got it nice and slick and almost completely straight. My ends aren't that straight, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to run them over my ends one more time. But like, it slick looks like my hair is almost flat iron. Like, that's how straight my hair got just from using this. And I feel like me taking small sections definitely is gonna help with this process. So let me just run over the ends one more time to see if I'm gonna get, you know, it straighter at the ends. But so far it's looking really, really nice. All right, so this is how it's looking. That's crazy that my hair got this straight just from blow drying it. Like, so yeah, I'm gonna keep on going through it and hopefully, you know. But I think the good thing about this is that I don't have to use like any extra tools. Like, I can just use this to detangle and all that. Well, my hair is already, you know, pretty much detangled from in the shower, but you don't have to use any additional tools to get your hair dry. Like, cause when when I normally blow dry my hair, I have to, you know, use a brush and the blow dryer and, you know, pull it and then it's just a lot of work. And I feel like with this, it's just like all in one, and you almost get like slick flat iron results, like almost like, you know, it's like that blowout, you know what I'm saying? So let's just keep going, because I'm getting excited, y'all. Don't hang me up. Okay, y'all, so here is the first section and what it's looking like. Y'all can see my hair almost looks like it's flat ironed. Like, it is straight almost. Okay, now this is what this is a blowout. This is a blow dry. Okay, this looks nice. Okay, yeah, y'all, I'm about to just keep it going. Okay, y'all, so here is my results from using it. This is definitely a blowout. Okay, my hair has never been this straight from just blow drying my hair, so I'm really feeling it. Like, period. Like, if it wasn't that hot outside, definitely will walk outside with my hair like this. Like, if it was cold outside, who you would see me out here with the fresh blowout, like, hey. But yes, like, my hair is like flat. You would like think it's like almost flat iron, just like got a little poofy. That's about it. But yeah, these are the results. What do y'all think? I think it looks really, really good, and I feel like even if I did want to use it just to blow dry my hair, it would be like a simple process because it's like all in one tool. So I could do that and just, you know, take bigger sections and do it that way. But if you want like a more sleek, you know, blowout, I definitely recommend using small sections to get that. But this looks really good. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna be using this from now on. It is so much quicker than trying to use a blow dryer and like one of those spinny brushes. It's just all in one. So I definitely recommend this. Make sure y'all go ahead and click the link down below. All the details will be down below in the description box. So they did give me a 25% off discount code for y'all if y'all do want to go ahead and purchase. That code is Mia25, so definitely go ahead and use that. I'm gonna leave that down below in the description as well. Yes, definitely encourage you guys to check them out if you are wanting that perfect blowout, because as y'all can see, my hair looks really good. Like, your girl is feeling herself, okay, in this length, like, period. Y'all, I be feeling myself a little too much when I be doing my hair, but okay. See, that's what I get. But who can blame me? But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you again to Tymo for partnering with me in this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to go down there in the description box. All the details are down there. But yes, that's pretty much it. And I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye.